Hello, welcome to Easy Internet. In this video, I'll show you how to turn photos into videos with Pika AI. With Pika AI, you can create videos like this in just a few clicks, and in this video, I'll guide you through step by step. If you're new to Pika, you can start with a free account. Visit the Pika AI website and continue to log in with your Google, Discord, or any other email account. Once you're signed up, you'll receive some free credits. There are a couple of ways to generate a video using Pika. One way is through prompting. You can come up with a prompt or easily copy the prompts from other videos by hovering over the video and clicking copy. The prompts will automatically be copied to the prompt bar. Alternatively, you can use ChatGPT to generate prompts. You can add an image reference to your generation. Simply click the image button and upload your image. To avoid wasting your credits, use the negative prompts feature. This feature ensures your AI-generated video doesn't contain unwanted objects or elements. For instance, say your prompt was to generate a futuristic character. You'd click on the settings icon on the prompt bar and input features you'd rather not see in your futuristic person. You can also generate AI animations of an image you already have. Click Pick Effect and select the effect you want to use. Upload your image. Finally, click the Generate button to start creating your AI video. And that's how you generate videos from pictures using Pika. Have fun trying out Pika's cool features and leave a link in the comments so we can check them out. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you.